Hello. Hello. And I'm just going to go through what happened yesterday and part of today in this light poem song. Yesterday I came home from the shops. An ex-partner was with a girlfriend, and she was thinner than me. And he'd said I love you to me before, and he obviously didn't, because she's more than I am. And I came up in my flat a bit depressed, but I got over it, like, because I really ended it. I didn't want to see him no more, so I ain't jealous. I said I ain't jealous, but, you know, I was called fat yesterday, so it made me feel worse, like, you know. So, what can I say about today? Well, someone woke me up with a someone woke me up with a cough, and I got up, and it's boiling hot in here. It's boiling hot, and I don't want to go out because I feel fat, and might bump into him again, you know, the one that I let go. And I'm glad I did, really, but she's nice and slim and pretty, and I'm overweight, and I guess I don't want to go on a diet. And I can't afford to buy new clothes, so I'm going to go around and do some window shopping. My eyes are streaming. I've got a bit of hay fever. I think it's hay fever. I hope it's hay fever. So what am I going to do today? Not a lot. I'm going to open some emails and hope they're okay, because usually it's directing me to a site on being overweight. Haven't answered phone calls for about 2 days. Well, I answered one and it was a bit strange. I guess I'm not going to give up. I'm going to carry on. I'm going to go now. My eyes are streaming. I've got some hay fever, and I'm going to get some Purity.